Hello everyone and welcome back. In this playlist, let's create a complete chat app while I go through Jetpack Compose, MV Architecture, dependency injection, Firebase, repository pattern, and so much more. I will just not build and give you a superficial idea, so we're gonna take our time, explain everything, why we use and choose any component or take any decision. So let's get started and you can see what's the idea here and how it's gonna work, okay? So here, let's create a navigation picture here. Navigation like this, and here the UI theme, you can create a new package called Future, and here in the UI we're gonna create a new class file called ChatApp like this. So we can add this. Okay, so in this ChatApp here you'll be a composable function, so let's annotate this with composable, and this is a function. Inside here we can call a scaffold like this. We receive a padding values from this scaffold, and inside here we can create a box, and let's pass something inside this scaffold here. We're gonna have a bottom bar like this. Let's leave it empty for now, and here in the box we can pass our modifier. Let's pass the modifier here, add the padding, and pass the padding values like this. So we can just import this here, the UI one. Okay, that's great. And here we can import a padding now, and we're gonna also add here the fill max size. Okay, great. Let's close this, and this is be what you're gonna do here. So for now we're gonna explain everything is happening here so we can have a deep understanding in which one is these components. So why this chat app here? So the chat app function will create a screen with a standard layout for us. So it will reserve a space for a bottom bar and then places a content area that is this box here in the remaining space. That's why we use the scaffold. So the scaffold provides the basic structure for us. We can think of scaffold as a pre-built screen layout. So it gives us a standard slots to place common UI elements like the top app bar or the bottom bar here that we're gonna use. We can add also a float action button. Actually, you can add a lot of things here. You can take a read for this. Inside the scaffold, you have these padding values, and it tells our content area how much space the top bar or the top bar is taking up, so our content does not get hidden underneath them. And that's why we apply this padding to the root container. In the case is this box here. What do you need to know about box? So box is the one simplest layout composables that we have. So its main job is to stack its children on top of each other, okay? All the children places here would stack on the top of each other. So for example, we can pass here a background image, go to be first, and then we can pass some text element, and this text would be on top of the background. So it's perfect for overlapping elements. For example, placing a text label over an image or putting a progress indicator on top of her screen content. By default, the children in a box are aligned on the top start, so the top left corner. So you can easily change this using the content alignment, or you can align the modifier on which child that you place inside the box. So in this video we talked about the scaffold and the box. I will cut this video here so we can keep it simple between the videos, and which video has 1 or 2 elements so you don't feel overwhelmed, and we can dig a deeper in each element here. Don't worry, it's keep it simple because we keep repeating things. So keep going, let's keep going, and let's build this amazing and big application together. I see you in the next video. Bye.